Hey guys, Robert from For You Enterprise here. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this ON 32-inch 720p Roku Smart TV. I got it at Walmart for $108. It's a Walmart exclusive, so this brand is generally has some decent deals on tech, as it is Walmart's house brand of this type of stuff. So you can see you get 3 HDMIs. It's 60 hertz, and obviously, as I said before, 32-inch 720p. So let's unbox it. So basically, I bought this at Walmart because I just wanted a spare TV to pop in my bedroom. So yeah, and it was the best deal on a 32-incher that was also smart that I could find. As 108's not a bad price for it not being on sale. The model number of this one is 100012589, if anyone's wondering. So yeah, this is my first unboxing, and I haven't done a video on here for a long time, so I figured I'd just do one of this. It comes in this interesting orange box. I think ON has a lot of like, vibrant packaging, which is kind of nice. I like that they partnered with Roku because Roku has a nice, easy to use interface. And I have another Roku TV that I like because you can like use your phone as a remote and that type of stuff. So yeah, this will be a nice TV for my bedroom. So let's finish opening it. You can also buy these online at walmart.com. For the same price. I just wanted to get it in store because I'm impatient. And I also don't have a knife, so we get to use scissors. At least these are good Joyce Chen scissors. Alright, so let's set these back over here. You probably should do this with 2 people, but I'm doing it with 1 because I forgot. So you're just opening this up. It's got this phone. You have. Let me just like fold these down. Oh, okay, that won't work. Here you have one of the stand pieces. This doesn't say on the box what blade it is, but yeah. And then on this side you have another one, and you get. And here's a big bag that has the quick start guide, the remotes, and some AAA batteries, which is what the remote takes. So you just get your little quick start guide right here. And here you have warranty information and important product information guide. Okay. And you get your generic brand of AAAs, but functional, I guess, so it's okay. And then in here you get the remotes, as well as one thing I didn't say, you get your screws for your stand. You also will need a Phillips head screwdriver for this, which I forgot to get, so I'll have to go get later. So yeah, this is just a standard Roku remote. It just says on the bottom for your 4 preset streaming service buttons. You have Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, and Vudu. So yeah, I like the Roku remote. It's small but mighty, I guess we can say that. Okay, so let's go ahead and I will put all the stuff back in the bag. Alright, so now with all that out of the way, we can go ahead and try to get the TV up. So just be careful when you're doing this. That's all I can really recommend. Has styrofoam holding it all in here, and I might need to. Don't know exactly how I want to do this. Okay, so you get your one piece here, and then you have the TV itself, which I'm going to be careful about grabbing. And you have a piece of cardboard to protect the front, which is kind of not a ton, but yeah. Alright, so it also comes in this big bag, which has handles that I should have used. Well, I guess for the future, when you guys are buying this, if you do, again, not sponsored, I pay for this with my own money, you will know that. So it also has, this cardware also has this little piece of foam on it, so I guess that's nice. And then there's also some silica gel and the bottom piece of styrofoam. So with that, we can move the box out of the way. There's additional I/O that I didn't mention. Not listed on the box. But yeah, I'll show that as soon as we are into this more. So yeah, we gotta probably move this a little bit. And then open up the bag, we have, ta-da, the TV. This is more difficult to take off when you're just one person. Again, do this with multiple people. It's my recommendation. So, alright, we're in. Just set it off to the side, and here we are. So this is a TV. It looks pretty solid. We've got just your on logo on the front there, and a little Roku TV thing down here. I hope you can see this. I believe you can. So, yeah, we've got all our peel stuff that we will now peel off. So it says, please tear off the protective tape around the frame before use. Then slowly remove the protective screen cover from the corner until all torn away. Alright, so we just gotta peel it off. You can see Energy Guide, $8 per year in electric cost, which sounds decent, honestly, for this. I just gotta find where to peel. Tape feeling and anything, so it's not super satisfying, but it's okay. Doesn't want to peel very much. And got a little bit in there. Okay, let's get the bottom. Bezels are kind of thick in this, but for how cheap it is, it's not a big deal. Alright, let's not let that fall. Oh, that's better. That was not good. No. Beautiful. Do not let that happen. Make this come behind it. My hand is engrossed in the freaking tape peel stuff. Okay, and I think there's one more there. So I actually need to do that. It's stuck on my finger. Alright, so once you get the peel off the corners, then you can take the screen cover off. Alright, and then I think there's one more layer I missed on the bottom. Okay, so I'm back. I'm sorry if this seems kind of cut because my iPhone decided to stop recording part of the way through, so all it skipped over was the fact that the legs are 2 legs and they are very difficult to screw in. So yeah, you just need your Phillips head screwdriver and they go on the outside, and it doesn't matter which one goes where. So with the stand on, we can go ahead and show the I/O. So coming around back here, we can look at the fact that you get all of these ports. You have a USB port, an optical audio port, an antenna / cable in. You have 3 HDMIs, one with audio return channel for like a soundbar or something, a headphone jack, and a reset button. Then on the bottom here, you get composite. And that's it. This does not have Ethernet for some reason, even though it's a smart TV. So count on using Wi-Fi, I guess. And then, yeah, you can just see it's on Roku TV model 1000125589. And it uses a weird looking VESA mount. Like usually it's a square. This is like a rectangle. So yeah, see, it's 200 by 100. So count on getting a different stand than what you already have. And the power cord is just attached on there. And it only has 2 prongs, so you don't even, it's not grounded. So let's go ahead and plug it in and turn it on. So if we plug it in, you'll see that the red light will illuminate down here to show that it is off. Nope, it'll turn on, never mind. So, yep, that is what the boot up screen looks like. And we can go ahead and take out our remote. Let me come back around here in this little baggie and peel off the top. And there you go, this is your remote. You have your volume buttons on the side, and you have otherwise just a standard Roku remote, and which we've got to put batteries in. So the bottom just comes off like this, and they both go up. So that's something, I guess, of note, because most things are definitely not like that. And the batteries are kind of in this little like container thing, not container. They're in like this plastic that's like blister packaging, like, I guess. Kind of just cut it and then tear it and they come out just fine. So yep, those just go in the remote, one up and the other up, and the remote will work. And there you go, you can see definitely looks 720p. So we can just start with the setup, pick your country. It's gonna be for home use, and it'll start a wireless scan. So we will connect it to my internet. Doesn't look like it has a very good thing of picking up the signal because I'm like right across the hallway from my Wi-Fi router. And it's picking it up at like medium signal strength only. Alright, so once you enter in your Wi-Fi password, it will do a little internet connection test. This Roku remote, by the way, just feels like any old Roku remote that you have in your house. It'll do a software update check, and we'll start to install updates. Alright, so as soon as it finishes all of the updates and adding your channels, it lets you do it pretty easily. You have to like create a Roku account. If there's anyone watching that, like, I see all these reviews saying, oh, you have to add a credit card. You don't. In the place where it tells you to, you can scroll down to the bottom and click skip this step. So yeah, don't worry about that. So let's connect to your devices. So yeah, everything's plugged in. I'm not doing anything. Yeah, there's nothing connected to any of these right now. So they will just get that, and then you're all done. It'll play a video.
Get to know your new Roku TV in about a minute. Let's start with your remote. Press home at any time to return to the home screen. Back always returns to the previous screen, and star shows additional options, like the settings menu while streaming. Press and hold the mic button on voice remotes to search for entertainment, control your streaming, and more. Now let's check out your home menu. Visit streaming channels to find your favorites and discover new ones. Search if you're looking for something specific.
This is getting cut so I don't get copyright potentially.
And be sure to check out the Roku channel for more free and live entertainment. Download the free Roku mobile app for an extra remote, voice search, private listening, free TV on the go, and more. For more information and other cool features, visit the Tips and Tricks channel on your home screen. And that's it. Happy streaming!
And as soon as it's done with that video, it will send you to the home screen, and we're done. So that is the setup of your TV. And it's actually very easy to do. The screen looks decent, I guess. It's 720p. It's not the greatest, but for the price, it's definitely really solid. So, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look at the TV and unboxing. If you have any questions relating to it, feel free to leave them down below, and I will do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching, guys, and for 300 subs. Like, wow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.